I don't drink, but when I was in college, I worked as a bartender at a non-alcoholic bar. And that may seem funny, but I love a good mixed drink that just doesn't have alcohol in it. One of my favorites is the Virgin Mojito. Anytime I'm on vacation, it's the first thing I order, and I have several of them throughout my time, wherever I may be. I'm going to show you today how I like to make my favorite version, the Cucumber Honey Mojito. I love it because I usually have everything on hand for it. It's very simple, comes together super fast. Let's do it. For this Cucumber Honey Mojito, these out. We want about 4 slices of cucumber in each cup. And then mint, we want about 5 to 6 leaves, depending on the size of the leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5 in the other. We're gonna save the tip of our mint leaves here. Grab a prettier one here. These will be for our garnish at the end. Honey, we do about 2 teaspoons. And then we just use the back wooden spoon to kind of muddle that all together. You just want to break things up. You don't want to get it too broken, especially the mint leaves, but just kind of until the honey starts to dissolve into the liquids from the cucumber and the mint. Obviously, if you have a muddler, that's a better tool than a wooden spoon. I don't have one, so. This just gives us a concentration of flavor that will be mixed in. Now, with that, I want to add about 2 tablespoons simple syrup. We're going to just stir that around to mix it together real good. Now, you can skip the simple syrup if you use something like Sprite. If you make this with Sprite, it's going to be just like a mint soda, and it's really, really good that way. I like using tonic water because it has a little bit of bitterness, which I think makes it more interesting. Either one that you do is fine. Just expect that with tonic water, there will be that little bit of bitter in it. Oh. Ice. And then one more stir. Garnish, one more sprig of mint right in the top. And there it is. Very quick, super easy. You can make this in pitchers, honestly, and just serve it in the middle of the table. It's perfect for any warm weather meal, honestly. I love serving this outside in our patio when we have guests over with our kids. Just a really light, refreshing drink. I think you're gonna love it. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.